you have lost a blue tentacle, please call Lost and Found.
Change has come, and the Child Detection Agency is now the Comedy Detection Agency. Not sure if something is funny? Call the CDA hotline and we'll be there in a flash. We know comedy is hard, so now the CDA is here to help, ready to drop in on a moment's notice to scientifically find and evaluate humor.
3.8 gigawatts. 4.7 gigawatts. 7, 8, 9, 10.3 gigawatts.
Agents are available day and night.
No hitters, ventriloquists are never funny.
The future of energy is a joke, and the Comedy Detection Agency is here to help. The CDA. We take comedy seriously.
Sweatshirt and the ears with the bow, you are definitely on the nice list. And I'm your buddy. I'm everybody's buddy. I'm Buddy Boyle. Hello, everybody! Well, welcome. We are so grateful to have you here to celebrate with us, because whether you have horns or tentacles, fur or fangs, the holidays are that special time to gather with the ones you love. Speaking of loved ones, how about our holiday host, Mike Wazowski? When I point to this side, you folks say, Mike. This side, Wazowski. Nice and loud, here we go.
Wazowski. Wazowski.
Okay, Mike's nice and loud. Because guess what? That concludes the mic check. We get gigawatts and we put them in the... You're gonna dance? Hit it! Yeah, you got the moves. That was beautiful. Give that human some holiday cheers. Very well done. Now, something you can all do whenever we monsters say Happy Holidays, the proper response is to throw your hands up in the air and to shout like this. Ah! So nice and loud, everybody. Happy Holidays! Ah! Louder! Happy Holidays! Ah! Everybody shout. Roz, start the show!
Roz, start the show!
See that giant canister? That's where we collect your holiday cheer. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, when it comes to lists, you may find yourself on the naughty one. I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to the Laugh Floor Holiday Show! And now, let's hear some holiday cheers for your ho-ho host, me, Mike Wazowski! Happy Holidays! Oh, very good! I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the Laugh Floor. Now, this is your first time in a monster world. There are a few things you should know. Like if I said, "You stink" to that guy, it would be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're at the laughter. So the only one here who might make you scream would be Roz. We like to call Roz the face that made 1,000 elves cry. Hey, what's worse than a stocking full of coal? A stocking full of Roz! She's up on the screen, isn't she?
Wazowski, you better fill the can this time, or else.
Or else what?
Mac. Mac happens to be an expert in the holiday traditions of the human world. Really? Really? Ask me, quiz me. All right, fine. You know what? I'm gonna find a human. We'll find out where they're from. You can tell us all about their local holiday traditions. Sure. And it might be anyone. Except for that guy. Because he's too busy being that guy. All right, then not that guy. All right, humans, please raise your hands if you are excited about the holidays. Even if you're not, raise your hands. Sure, all right, let's see. There I do see a human about the 7th or 8th row. Really? Yep, have their hand up. Okay. Hello, what is your name, please?
Liz.
Liz, where do you live?
In Mexico.
Oh, in Mexico they celebrate by mixing everything in their refrigerators together into one homogeneous mass. They can't quite tell what the flavor is, so they call it eggnog, and they slather that on their iconic North Pole. Liz, was that right?
Not really.
Next! Thank you, Liz. That was a warm-up. Let's go double or nothing. Okay, how? Talk to 2 humans at once. Really? Yeah, right on the same side with Liz there. Oh, I see that. Okay, right in front of Liz. Hi, what are your names, please?
I'm Ava. I'm Amy.
Ava and Amy, and where do you live?
Michigan.
Oh, in Michigan, they celebrate the holidays by stuffing their shoes full of rotten eggs, and then they leave them on the windowsill to lure Santa into their home. And then they string those shoes around their iconic North Pole. Ava and Amy, was it?
Yeah,
is that right?
That's about right.
Booyah. Well, I even know Michigan's new holiday scarol. You do? Yeah, it goes like this. In Michigan, the home of Ava and Amy. La 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 la. The roadkill there is kind of gamey. La 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 la. Building towers of socks and coal. La 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 la. They dance around their iconic North Pole. La 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 la. I like Amy. I like it.
Weren't they great, folks? Weren't they great? Let's see how they did. Ho! 15 jingawatts! Looking good! Okay, this next act is almost as jolly as the man who says ho-ho. Santa wasn't available. He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle!
Happy holidays! I taught you well. Even that guy. Yeah, well, I am still Buddy Boyle, and I'm your holiday monster magician. Now, everybody say, give me some magic, Buddy.
Give me some magic, buddy.
Oh, I will, but with a special human, because one human here has this ultimate holiday gift that is going to magically appear inside this box. So raise your hand if you're a human. Oh, more of you here than I thought. Okay, I'm going to find you with my powers. I'm looking for a human, a very special human, a human that has maybe, a Santa hat on, and there you are, I found you. What is your name, my friend?
Tommy.
Everybody say, hi, Tommy.
Hi, Tommy.
Tommy, you and I are going to make your ultimate holiday gift, that thing you really, really want this year, to magically appear in this box. You ready, Tommy?
Yes.
Okay, let's get your holiday magic on. Tommy, take your hands and make antlers on top of your head. Now make the sound of the mystical, magical reindeer. Go for it, Tommy. That's it. Do it again, Tommy. It's working. Everybody do it with Tommy. 1, 2, 3. Give Tommy a round of applause. Okay, Tommy, let's take a look and see if it worked. Oh, but first tell us all now, what is your ultimate holiday gift?
Reindeer.
Is there another Tommy in the house? Reindeer, yeah, that's topical and fun, but you know what else is topical and fun? Fruit cake. Oh, look, reindeer flavored fruit cake. Well, let's open up this fruit cake. Your big surprise is right in this can. Oh, that was a big surprise. You don't look surprised, which is why I got you this. Valid only among Scropolis. That's Tommy. I'm Buddy Boyle. Happy holidays!
Oh, Roz, why'd you do that?
Oops, my finger slipped.
Oh, well, look at that, Roz. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me. Face it, Wazowski, you'll never fill that can.
Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Oh, you're nice. Remember, I'm checking. Always checking.
I'm checking, always checking. I'm Rob. Look at my ugly sweater.
You just made the naughty list.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, performing holiday jokes you just sent in, my nephew, Marty Wazowski! Happy holidays!
So cool. I'm Marty Wazowski. I'm Uncle Mike gave me some of the jokes you texted in, so I'm going to tell some of those right now, if that's okay. The first one came from Linda from San Jose. What do snowmen eat for Christmas? Say what?
What?
Ice Krispies. Okay, and then this next one came from Graham from Sarasota. How much did Santa pay for his sleigh? Say how much? Nothing, it was on the house. So I've been learning all about Santa from the jokes you guys texted, and it sounds pretty cool. Let's see. Sees you when you're sleeping, knows when you're awake, watching, always watching. Wait a minute. Roz is Santa?
Ho, ho, ho.
All right, maybe I don't know anything about the holidays, but maybe there's a couple of human kids out there or something like that that can maybe help me out a bit. So raise your hand if you're a human kid and you know about the holidays. Okay, I don't see like a lot of hands going up, but Needleman, they're like I do see some human kids, and maybe they'll help me out. Hi. Wait. One of them's a human kid and the other one's a monster. Hi. So what's your name? Mason? And Mason, who's that with you? Sebastian? Looks like Sebastian's hungry. Mason, how old are you? You're 14, cool. So you're like almost not a kid anymore, right? Yeah, that's cool. So what are you gonna be when you grow up? Like in like 2 months? You don't know yet? Okay, you might want to hurry up. So, Mason, you want to help me with one more joke? Knock, knock. That guy! Everybody give it up for my new friend Mason. He's really cool. And he like, he's a
Okay, let's give the little guy a big hand. What a treat. Oh, and look at that. We did it! We killed the can! What do you know? Is that up to this far?
Well, I guess it's a holiday bonus for the one responsible.
Oh yeah? So what am I getting?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy. Give him a big hand.